10 baby sleep tips that actually work. Sleep deprivation is one of the hardest parts of parenting, and it can feel never-ending. But here's the good news. With a few small changes, better sleep is possible. Sleep is more than just rest, it's critical for your baby's brain development, mood, and immune system. That's why building good sleep habits early on is so important. Tips to help your baby sleep. 1. Set a bedtime routine. Start with a routine each night, like a warm bath, a lullaby, or quiet story time. The goal is to signal to your baby that sleep is coming. 2. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep the nursery dark, cool, and quiet. Blackout curtains and a white noise machine can really help block out distractions. 3. Put baby down drowsy, not asleep. Put your baby down when they're drowsy but still awake. This helps them learn how to fall asleep on their own. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care-related videos. Please continue watching. 4. Stick to a schedule. Babies thrive on routine. Try to keep naps and bedtime at consistent times each day, even on weekends. 5. Keep nighttime calm and quiet. Keep middle-of-the-night feedings low-key. Use a soft voice, avoid eye contact, and keep lights dim. 6. Know baby's sleep cues. Learn to spot early signs of sleepiness like rubbing eyes, yawning, or fussiness. Then act fast before they get overtired. 7. Use a safe sleep space. Always lay your baby on their back in a crib free of pillows, blankets, or toys for safety. 8. Try white noise or gentle music. White noise mimics the womb and masks household noise. Gentle lullabies can also be calming. Just keep it low and consistent. 9. Teach day versus night. Keep daytime bright and active. Keep nights quiet and dark. This helps your baby learn the difference between day and night. 10. Be patient and consistent. Sleep training takes time. Stay consistent, even if results aren't instant. Your baby is learning a new skill. Adjust to your baby's needs. There's no one-size-fits-all. Some babies need more help than others. Follow your instincts. If sleep issues persist or you're feeling overwhelmed, talk to your pediatrician.